Imagine coming to absolute peace in just 5 minutes. Before I reveal more about it, let me tell you, this video is not for everyone. If you are facing challenges in your emotional health, physical health, your relationships, or the flow of money in your life, then hold on and listen to me. These challenges occur because of blockages in your body and mind. And you know what? You cannot overcome these challenges without first removing the blockages in your mind and body. Step 1 to remove these blockages is to know exactly that the blockage exists, and then to identify where it exists, and to analyze where the emotions and energies are stuck in your body and mind. And this is exactly what we are going to do in a private one-on-one session where our senior healing mentor will sit with you, understand the challenges in depth, and figure out the root cause so that you get complete clarity on what has to be stopping you. Please note, this is not a group session. This session is going to be one-on-one privately with you over a Zoom video call, and you will get exact clarity on why you are feeling stress, anxiety, lower energy, and emotional pain, why your relationship is not flowing smoothly with your husband, family members, and colleagues, and what is the root cause that has been silently holding you back. And then together we will implement a simple 5-minute technique where you will feel absolutely calm and peaceful, releasing the biggest emotion that is making you feel sad right there on the spot. Now, to be very honest, private consultation with healers and therapists usually costs between 1,000 to 5,000. But to make it super affordable for anyone and everyone, for those who are emotionally overwhelmed, who are stuck in their life, who are in deep pain, who want to share their situation with an expert, and who want the right direction in the right way, we have made it 10 times more affordable. Now, let me tell you why you should trust me. I have been awarded by the Chief Minister of Delhi of Women's Empowerment. I'm an internationally licensed healer in sensory energetics. I'm a TEDx speaker and the author of the best-selling book, Roots of Abundance. But all of this doesn't matter to me as much as the testimonials, the videos, and the messages I receive from my students. I ask you to scroll down this page and look at the testimonials from the people who have solved various challenges through this step-by-step guided process. I'm 100% sure you will find at least one video below that exactly resonates with your problem, and if they could do it, you can do it too. To make this absolutely risk-free for you, we are offering a double money-back guarantee if you do not feel happy and satisfied after our one-on-one session. Simply message us at the number below and we will refund your money back, no questions asked. You have 3 choices. First choice is book the session, attend the session, and start changing your life from this very moment. Second choice, book the session, attend the session, and if you do not feel the shift, you can get double your money back, no questions asked. Third choice, leave this page, keep scrolling, and continuing living the same life you are living right now. Choice 1 and 2 are 100% risk-free, and there is 100% risk in choice 3. The amount needed to register for this session is less than the cost of a pizza. The reality is you are already paying a price through your emotional pain, physical health, and your relationship. You are already paying the cost of staying the same. So instead of continuing to pay that price, you can choose to live a better life with better health and with better mindset and better relationship. A life where your family respects you, loves you, and cares for you. And if you think this is fast decision, let me remind you, you have been in this pain for a very long time. Come out of it. Today, you have found the solution. This is not a fast decision. This is the decision you have been working toward for months. And if none of this resonates, let me ask you just one question. What are you most afraid of happening? Because this is completely risk-free opportunity. If your answer is that you do not want to improve or change, then you can go back and live the same life. But if you want to change, if you want to live the life you truly deserve, then click the button below, book your one-on-one personalized healing session, get the clarity you need, and start moving forward in your life. Happy healing.